I gave you my heart.
You don't what? You getting some pudding?
No, some porridge.
No, you're not having none of my porridge.
Yeah,
No, you're not.
yeah,
No.
yeah.
No, you're not because you're too cheeky.
No, me not.
Yeah, you are
No,
cheeky.
me not.
Leave the camera alone and stop playing
No,
my
me
camera.
not.
Get off me, man. Get off
No,
me.
me
You're too
not.
cheeky.
No, me not.
Yeah, you are.
No, me not.
You're cheeky.
No, me not.
Ask mommy if you ain't cheeky.
Not today.
Yeah, you're cheeky.
No.
So you're not getting no porridge.
Yeah, me am.
No, you're not.
Yeah, me am.
No, you're not.
Yeah,
Who's gonna give it to you?
mommy.
No, she's not.
Yeah, but I am.
I'm gonna hide it up on the counter.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Who's gonna stop me?
Me.
Oh, you're gonna stop me?
Let me put it in top bin.
You're gonna put it in the bin?
Yeah. I'm gonna put you in the top bin.
What are you gonna put in the bin?
Yeah.
Me?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see that then. Go on, go put me in the bin then.
Put me outside.
Who for follow you outside?
No, put me inside.
Who for follow you inside?
You.
Me? Follow you inside where?
In kitchen.
So you can put me in the bin?
No.
So why you want me to follow you in the kitchen?
Don't know.
You don't know?
Up there.
You want to go up there?
Yeah.
Why?
Me like to.
You like to?
Yeah.
Well, I'm not put you up there because you're gonna get my porridge.
Mommy, no.
Yeah, you are.
Mommy, no.
Yeah, you are.
Mommy, no.
You know what you're saying? You know what you're saying? What you saying? No porridge for you. Riri, you ready to go have some porridge?
Yeah.
Right, so let you, your brother, let him go sit and watch TV and let
No.
him go have porridge.
Mommy, no. You're not.
What?
You're not. No porridge.
Who's not having no porridge?
You.
Me?
Yeah.
I'm having loads of porridge.
No, that in top bin.
You gonna dash it into the bin?
No, you.
Me I gonna dash it in the bin?
No, that in top
You gonna put
bin.
me in the bin?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, I'll go in the bin and eat my porridge from in the bin. But you still ain't getting no porridge.
Oh, you not.
No.
I'm getting loads of porridge. Stop doing that to my phone. I'm getting loads of porridge and you're not having none. 'Cause
No,
you're cheeky.
you're not.
You're cheeky.
No, you cheating.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you am.
No, I'm not.
Yeah.
And it's yes you are. Not
you.
yes I am. Not yes you am.
Yeah, you.
Say yes you are.
No, you.
No, say yes you are.
No, you.
Hey, look at me. I'm serious. Say yes you are. Go back down there.
Say yes, you are.
Come here.
Say it then. No,
Say-
no, say yes. Stop it. Oi.
Say yes
Yeah.
you
Uh,
are. That's what you say. You don't say yes you am.
Say yes,
Right?
you are.
That's
okay?
the wrong way.
Yes, you are. Say yes, you are.
So stop crying like a puny
Say
baby.
yes, you are. Papa say yes, you are.
Good boy. Are you puny baby? Yeah, you are. You crying?
no, really.
Riri's puny.
Yeah.
No, she's not. She's chilling. Look at her.
Yeah.
She's chilling over there.
No, really.
Riri just watching TV.
No, you watching TV.
Who watching TV? I'm watching you.
No, you watching Riri.
Well, yeah, I'm looking at Riri now. I'm zooming Riri. Riri getting zooming. Hey, Riri. How you doing, Riri? Are you happy? Riri look happy. And you look sad. You hiding? Why you hiding? Yeah.
If you take long to come, can we go outside until you come? If you take long.
When it's snowing.
Yeah.
That's what Riri watching. And this one arguing about porridge. Because he's not getting none.
You're not getting none, Porridge.
It's not snowing now, Rihanna. And let me go hide the porridge here so this boy don't get none, yeah?
Oh, no, you're not. You're not, Daddy.
Hmm?
No, Daddy.
Hmm?
Oh, can I watch? No.
No, you're watching TV.
No, you're not. No, you're not.
I'm putting up the porridge, so we just finished making porridge and this boy is getting mad being porridge.
No.
Alright, I'm gonna give you some spaghetti. I'll give you some pasta.
No.
Why?
Don't like pasta.
You don't like pasta?
No.
Oh, don't say that. You like pastas?
No.
You want some rice then?
No.
What about some fish and chips?
No.
Hey, stop going on like that. What do you mean you want porridge?
Yeah.
You want porridge?
Yeah.
You sure you want porridge?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do for porridge? You gonna give daddy a hug and a kiss? Who are you gonna put in the bin? Me?
No.
So who are you gonna put in the bin?
Mommy.
Mommy?
Yeah.
Why are you gonna put mommy in the bin? So you can have some porridge?
Yeah.
Yeah. This one is a porridge digger. And switch up for porridge, yeah? So you're a porridge digger. Yeah? Porridge digger. Okay then. Alright, I'm gonna dish you some porridge then, yeah?
Yeah.
But you're not having none though.
Why?
I'll give it for Riri only.
No.
Yeah? And leave you. Alright, I'll dish some for you as well. You're gonna get the ball. Is that what you want?
Yeah.
What am I giving them in?
In my polo.
I know you come in the blue one.
You get that little teddy bear thing. And that Bob the Builder thing. You want that in that earrings in that one?
Yeah. That on. Let me eat them on. Put it back. Like that.
You don't want none right now, Bill.
Who Daddy?
Hmm?
Who Daddy?
Mommy?
Mommy.
Mommy said she don't want none.
No. Mommy don't like porridge.
Mommy don't like porridge.
Yeah. Not that one. Not in this for me.
So we're only giving Riri porridge, not you.
Mama.
No, hey man, that's not you, that's me.
Mama.
That's daddy.
Mama.
Alright. Daddy gives my his. Sit down.
You sit down. Sit down.
Not mine, Daddy.
Look what you just gave me.
Not mine. Not mine. Mine.
That one is yours.
Yeah. That one, yeah.
No, and which one is mine?
That one.
That one is mine.
Yeah.
And that's yours.
Yeah.
That's empty. You can have that one. It's porridge?
Not in it.
Porridge?
Nothing in it.
guy is getting mad for his porridge. Don't play with him and him porridge, you know. You get mad for him porridge, blood. It'll be for anybody for him porridge,
You
yeah?
have to scrape it from the top, yeah? That it's gonna burn like it just did. Don't do it from the bottom.
Are you
Do it from
happy
the top.
now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dad,
Yeah?
but it no, no, man.
Eh?
You really need carrot, but carrot
You what?
cauliflower, didn't it? It wants to make us know one, but there's no carrots for the nose.
Alright, Papa, eat your porridge and I'm gonna take it away. It's hot though. No, leave, don't dig it from the bottom. You see this part here? Let me show you. This part here is not hot. This part is cool and soft. Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. Right, I'm gonna enjoy the porridge, yeah? Say bye bye now. I got my porridge.
Bye-bye now. Got my porridge.
What's up?
Nothing.
Nothing. Your belly full now, innit?
Yeah.
What food up your belly?
Porridge.
Oh, what's in your belly?
Porridge.
Porridge.
Yeah.
Oh. Go and tell them if you like your porridge.
You like my porridge.
You're always the best at making porridge.
Daddy.
Yes, Daddy.
Yeah.
You like your porridge, innit?
Yeah.
Good boy. You finished before Vivi?
Yeah.
You finish it all?
Yeah.
Oh, you like that? You're burping, eh? Let me feel your belly. Is it big? Are you gonna want some more porridge later?
Yeah.
Or you're gonna give you some more?
Daddy.
You best make mommy give you some more.
Yeah.
Daddy be gone to work. Yeah?
Why you doing what, Daddy?
You going to work?
Why you doing what?
Why?
Yeah.
So we can get some monies. Innit?
Why you doing what for me, babe?
Hmm?
Why you doing what for me, babe?
When I'm going to work for Vivi, is that what I said?
Yeah.
When I'm going to work for Vivi.
Yeah.
I'm going to work for Vivi.
What
Go.
you don't buy me, babe?
What am I going to buy Vivi?
Yeah.
I don't know yet. What should I buy her?
TV.
You should buy her a TV.
Yeah.
She don't want a TV.
Yeah.
She's not ready for a TV yet.
I want TV.
You want a TV? You got a big TV there?
Baby want TV.
Vivi got a big TV there too.
Oh, that's on TV. I want a horse what actually can turn and talk.
You want a what?
A horse what can turn and talk, and a car.
A ass.
Yeah, a horse what can move, and a car. A real car what can turn and beat and have a key. Like that.
And you got key.
Yeah.
So she want a real car, she want a real ass. I can't talk, I move.
I'm off of that side. Hey. I'm going back over. Back there. I'm bouncing on there. Back there. You can see.
She's climbing up, she's gonna drop and break her leg.
Been doing it for ages. Wow. They butter now. Am I ready? You want to see me, Raheem? Toss back. Raheem. Papa. 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 Raheem. 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 Raheem, are you watching me swing? What? What? What are you watching? Can you see? Look. Look at me. You look up today. You can look up there.
Same.
Alright, you're not walking.
Walking.
Leave my belt alone, man.
Do my name.
Do your nail? What are you want me to do to your nail?
Do my name.
Oh, do your name. You can wait till tomorrow. Today what? Saturday.
Saturday. I can play on Saturday.
Oh, today is Saturday. Tomorrow is Sunday. So you can do your name tomorrow. And read the Bible.
Today.
Yeah, but you're gonna do some work with mommy. Yes, people. Peace out. See you. One love.